Yeah, children. So additional applications of trigonometry we were discussing. So in the video one we have discussed 1 to 10 children. Next video 2, 11 to 20 we discuss. Today we will discuss 21 to 30 children. One of you keep the calculator ready, children. If I ask any root 3 to root 2 and anything, please tell children. Any one of you, not all together. Okay. So one of you keep the calculator ready, children. 21st sum and children. All of listen. A 1.6 tall girl. Okay, children. A 1.6 tall girl. 1.6 meter tall girl. Try to understand. This is 1.6 meter tall girl stands at the distance of 3.2 meters from a lamp post and casts a shadow of 4.8 on the ground and casts a shadow because of this lamp. This girl's shadow, because of this lamp, this girl's shadow is falling here. This is girl's shadow. Okay, children, this is how much? 4.8 meters. Okay. Find the height of the lamppost. Find the height of a lamppost by applying trigonometry and similar triangles. Like this, children. Those who didn't understand the question, please see, children. Those who didn't understand the question. This is lamppost. This is girl. Because of this lamppost, this is a lamp. Lamp. The girl's shadow is falling here. This is 4.8. The distance between lamp and girl is 3.2. Don't forget to put 90 degrees. And the height of the girl is 1.6. Is asking height of the lamp. Okay, children. So A, B, C, D. Okay, children. What is the original triangle, children? What is the original triangle? A, B, C. And this is H. And this total distance is how much, children? From here to here, anyone? How much is the total distance? 8 meters, children. 8 meters. This angle we know. And other is a small triangle, children. Other is a small triangle, children. You have to see, children, E, B, C. Okay, this is 4.8, this is 1.6. Okay, children, what I'll do is I'll find theta here. I'll apply that theta and find out height. Again, I'm saying here I'll find theta. I'll apply this theta here and I'll find height. That is trigonometry. Okay, and similar triangles also I will show you, children. First, you'll see this all. So, children, here tan theta is what? 1.6 by 4.8. Opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is what? 1 by 3. This tan theta will apply here. What is tan theta here? Anyone? Tan theta is here. H
by
by
8.
8. How much we got tan theta? 1 by 3. H by 8 goes here. H is equal to 8 by 3. That is 2.66 means 2.67 meters is height of lamp post. Yeah. This is by trigonometry. Using singular triangles, single triangles I have not yet completed for you. Even then, those who know just see, children. Those who know just see. Here there is a big triangle and there is a small triangle, children. Okay. Big triangle name is ABC. Small triangle name is EDC. In big triangle angle B, in small triangle angle D is 90 degrees because they will stand vertically. We know that. Okay. And angle C in big triangle, angle C in small triangle is there. That is called common angle. So in small triangle it is there. It is also there in big triangle. So by AA similarity, angle. If two angles are same, then the two triangles are said to be similar, children. In similarity, in similar triangles lesson, I will teach children. If two angles are same, here 90, here 90, in big one and small one, then this is common. If two angles are same, small triangle is similar to big triangle. Small triangle is similar to big triangle. Small triangle is similar to big triangle. So this by this is equal to this by this is equal to this by this. Similar sign. CPST means energy. CP. We used to say in 9th class. This is CPST. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. So children, how to do cross multiplication. So H is equal. I'm writing here, children. So H is equal to 1.6 into 3.2. 3.2 goes up. 4.8 comes down. Okay, children. 4.3 is H is equal to 3.2 by 3. Okay, sorry, children. I did a small mistake, children. I did a small mistake, children. Sorry. Children, what is the small mistake? Means in small triangle 4.8, in big triangle this whole thing we should take, children. So that is 8. is equal to, in small triangle 1.6, in big triangle h. So what is the answer, children? H is equal to 1.6 into 8 by 4.8. That is 3. Again we got 8 by 3. Again 2.67 meters. Those who didn't understand, no problem, children, because anyway I will discuss in the triangles again for you. This is in small triangle this, in big triangle this, in small triangle this, in big triangle this, in small triangle this, in big triangle this. We will take children as corresponding parts of similar triangles. Children, don't worry at all, please. Okay, so trigonometry, using trigonometry you should do in Sunday exam if I ask this question. First find theta here, that theta you apply here. First find theta here, that theta you apply here. That's it.
Sir, can you explain once again? The board was blurred before.
Okay, children, so here find theta, children. Tan theta is equal 1.6 by 4.8. After finding theta, substitute that theta here, children. Once you substitute that theta here, so 1 by 3 is equal to h by 8. Tan theta is equal to h by 8. Tan theta is equal to h by 8. Tan theta, how much we got here? 1 by 3. Tan theta, how much we got here, children? 1 by 3. That 1 by 3 is substituted here. 1 by 3 is equal to h by 8. Don't worry, children. So I found out theta in 1 and I substituted. Okay, is the board not visible properly, children? Please someone say.
Now it's okay, sir.
Now it's okay. Okay, second sum. Second sum, children. I will say 22nd sum. A 1.5 meter tall boy, a 1.5 meter tall boy, what is doing this? He is standing at some distance from 30-meter tall building. At some distance, he is standing from 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building is 30 degrees initially. He walked some distance, again he saw. Initially it was 30, after walking here, it is 60 degrees. It is 60 degrees. Question is, find the distance he walked. Okay, children, so total is 30. If you remove 1.5, this will become how much, children?
28.5.
This is x, this is y. Again, same, children, A, B, C, D. One triangle is ABC, children, big triangle, and small triangle is, children, A, B. Okay, children. So here tan is 30 degrees, children. Here tan is 60 degrees. Children. Here is 28.5. Here also 28.5. Here BC is how much? BD is how much? Can anyone say?
X and x plus y. X plus y.
X plus y.
Here this is
Even
only
x
y.
plus
Y, X plus Y.
This is x plus y, children. This is x plus y. Okay. Now, Samhita, can you tell me tan 30, tan 60 in both cases? Samhita, tan 30 how much here? Half of the students won't respond only when I ask. Tan 30, Samhita. Navani, tan 30. Tan 30.
x plus y.
Navani, tan 60.
So 28.5 by y.
28.5 by y. How much is this? 1 by root 3. Tell me. Simplification.
So 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x plus y.
Okay.
Tan 60 root 3 is equal to 28.5 by y.
Okay.
Doing cross multiplication, x plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3.
Okay.
Y root 3. Okay, y is equal to 28.
Okay. Rationalize this. Rationalize this.
28.5 root 3 by 3.
Okay. Substitute this here.
X plus 9.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3.
Okay.
X is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3.
Okay.
X is equal to 19.19 root 3.
Okay. Can anyone say what is this value, children? Calculator. 1.732 into 19.
Sir, 32.908 meters.
32.908
meters.
is distance. Yeah, please wait your audio after telling. So children, this is 22nd sum, 23rd sum children. Please check 23rd sum children. And whoever I ask, they should say children. 23rd sum. The shadow of tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when sun's altitude is 30 degrees. Children, this is when sun, children, when sun's angle is 30 degrees. When sun's angle is how much? When sun's angle is 60 degrees. When sun's angle is there, the shadow of the tower is x, imagine. Now, when it is 30 degrees, it is 40 meter longer than this.
X plus 40.
Okay, this is sun chip, this is sun. Okay, and this is the depression of sun's angle. Sun's angle. This is depression of sun's angle. Try to understand. Children, okay, you should draw with pencil and sketch. Okay, so children, when it is at 60, its shadow is only x. When it is 30, it is x plus 40. Forget about this 60. There are two triangles. When it is h, it is x at 60. Okay, when it is 30, it is 40 plus x. 40 plus x. Okay, tan 60. Okay, Yatin, can you say tan 60 is how much? Tan 30 is how much? Yatin.
Tan 60 is h by x, sir.
Okay.
Tan 30 is h by 40 plus x.
Okay.
Root 3 is equal to h by x.
Keep saying, keep saying.
And then h is equal to root 3x.
Cross multiplication. Okay, tell, keep saying.
Okay. 40 plus x is equal to root 3 into root 3x, which is equal to 40 plus x is equal to 3x.
Okay.
40 is equal to 2x.
Okay.
X is equal to 20.
Okay. Now find out height.
Height is equal to root 3x. So 20 root 3.
20 root 3 means how much?
20 root 3 is
24.64 meters is that. Yeah, no, mute your audio, please.
yes, sir.
24.64 meters is the height of the tower. Okay. Next, 24th subject. 24th sum. Who will tell 24th sum? Okay, I'll ask one student. They have to say 24th sum. Kashish, tell 24th sum.
Yes, sir.
Is it there with you, or should I draw the figure?
Sir, draw the figure, please.
Yeah. From point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 meter high building. There is a 20 meter high building. On this, there is a transmission tower. One fellow is seeing the top and the bottom of this tower at an angles of 45, 60. This is 45 and this is 60. Okay. Question is find the height of the transmission tower. This height you have to find out. Can you tell me what is tan 45? Can you tell me what is tan 60?
Sir, tan 45 is 20 by x.
Okay, only small triangle, 20 by x. Tan 60 is big triangle. How much?
Tan 60 is h plus 20 by x.
Fantastic. H plus 20 by x because total height by x. Okay, tell. So 1 is equal to?
20 by x.
Okay.
Root 3 is equal to h plus 20 by x.
Okay.
X is equal to 20.
Okay.
H plus 20 is equal to root 3. X
Okay.
plus 20 is equal to
20 root 3 minus 20. Yeah. Take 20 common.
20 into root 3 minus 1. H is
20.
equal to
Okay. H is equal to 20 into 0.732. H is equal to 14.64 meters is height of transmission tower. Very good. Next, 25th sum. 25th sum. 25th sum. Chetan, say 25th sum and we'll draw the figure. The angles of depressions of top and bottom of 8 meter tall building from the height of multi-story building. Chetan, are you there? half of the students only there. I don't understand what these people will do also. Anything we say, technical issues. That became nice reason for everyone. This is 8 means this is 8 children. This is HA. If this is B, this is B children. So the angles of depressions are top and bottom is top and bottom is 30 and 45 degrees. Smaller one is 30. This is 30 children. This is also 30. And the bigger one is this is 45 children. If this is 45, this is also 45 children. There are two triangles children. One small triangle is there and one big triangle is there children. It's two triangles. Okay. So okay. Srideep, can you say tan 30, tan 45? Srideep. Hasib, tan 30, tan 45. Harsh, tan 30, tan 45.
Sir,
Tan 30, tan 45.
sir, tan 30 we can write it as x, h minus x, h minus 8 by x.
H by B, H by B. Tan 30
Okay, sir.
is
Okay, sir.
H by B. Tan 45 is
H by x can be written.
okay. So 1 by root 3 is equal to H by B. Okay, now mute your audio, now a lot of disturbance is coming. So 1 is equal to 8 plus H by B. This comes this here. B is equal to root 3. 8 plus H is equal to B. This comes here, children. 8 plus H is equal to root 3H, children. This comes here. 8 is equal to root 3H minus H. 8 is equal to H if you take common, children. Root 3 minus 1. H is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. Go for rationalization, children. Don't do like that. Don't do like that. No one will say. So 8 by root 3 minus 1, if you rationalize, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1, children. H into root 3 plus 1 by a square minus b square, children. H is equal to 8 into root 3 plus 1 by 2, children. 2 4s. So what you get, children? H is equal to 4 into root 3 plus 1. H is equal to 4 into 1.732 plus 1, 2.732. H is equal to 48, 48, 28, 48, 9, 10, 10.928 meters. This is only this much, but total building means plus 8 you should do, children. This plus this. So how much? 18.928 meters is the height of multi-story building. Is the height of multi-story. Okay, children, you should be in a position to do that. Next question. 26th. Kiriti.
Sir,
Which Kiriti? Sangamitra or
sir,
Kennedy?
Kennedy. Kennedy.
Okay. Sangamitra, one second. Sangamitra, Kiriti, are you there? Okay. Kennedy, Kiriti, you tell number 26th. A statue 1.6 meter, 26th already we did in textbook, children. No need. 27th also we did in textbook, children. No need. 28th also to textbook, some children. No need. 29th is also textbook, children. No need. Waste question. 30 is also textbook. 31 is also textbook, children. 32 is also textbook. Okay. So I am saying on 33 onwards, children. So 33 onwards. Okay. So 33 children. Two poles of equal height standing. This is also no, 33. A man sitting at a height of 20 meter tall tree. Children, a man sitting on 20 meter tall tree. Kiriti, listen, later you can say. A man sitting on 20 meter tall tree on small island in the middle of a river observes two poles directly opposite to each other on two banks. Okay, children? He is in the middle of the here you will see one pole, children. Here you will see one pole. This fellow is on the tree, a person 20 meter tall tree. Okay. At the poles from point which the angles of depressions of the feet of the poles from the point which is sitting at for 60 and 30. Children, here one pole is there, here one pole is there. The angle of depression of this is one is 60. If this is 60, this is also 60. Okay. And the angle of depression of this pole, children, is how much they tell, children? That is 30. If this is 30, children, this is also 30. This is river, children. He's asking question, what is the width of the river? Width of the river means x plus y you should find out, children. Okay. Here tan 60 is there, tan 30 is there. Can you tell tan 60 is how much, tan 30 is how much?
Sir, tan 60 is equal to h by x.
Tan 30 is how much? 20 by y. Root 3 is equal to 20 by x. 1 by root 3 is equal to 20 by y. X is equal to 20 by root 3. Y is equal to 20 root 3. Okay. So width of the river, if anyone asks, you should find out x plus y. 20 by root 3 plus 20 root 3. LCM is what, children? Root 3 is the LCM. Root 3 1 year, root 3 20 plus 20 root 3 to 20 root 3 how much, children? 60. That is 80 by root 3. Rationalize root 3 by root 3. So 80 by 3 into root 3. Okay. This is 26.67, children. 80 by 3 into 1.732. Can anyone help me? Tell me this is the width of river. Okay, children. So you are finding x, you are finding y, you are adding x and y, children. You are finding x and you are finding y. You are adding y. You have to find x plus y. That's all.
46.19, sir.
Okay.
46.192.
46.192, children. Okay. 46.192. 46.192. Okay, children. Next. So, children, next sum. 34th sum, I'm telling children. 34th sum. Because which are there in an NCERT based on children. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by flag of height 7 meters. There is a pole and flag of 7 meters. This is 7 meters. Okay. The angles of elevation of bottom is 30 and the top is 45. Bottom is 30, children, and the top is 45. Question is, find the height of the tower. Height of the tower. Only H. Okay.
Sir, can I say
Yeah, tell. Keep saying everything.
tan 30 is equal to h by b,
Okay.
tan 45 is equal to h plus 7 by b,
Okay. Keep saying fast.
1 by root 3 is equal to h by b, 1 is equal to h plus 7 by b, b is equal to root 3h, b is equal to h plus 7. Substitute. H plus 7 is equal to root 3h. 7 is equal to root 3h minus h. H common, root 3 minus 1. H is equal to 7 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. 7 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 square.
Okay.
7 by root 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1, 2. H is equal to 3.5 into 1.732 plus 1. 3.5 into 2.732.
Can you even help me? What is the variation?
Nine 9.56, sir.
Okay. Next section. Next. Okay, children. Next sum. 35th sum. 35th sum, children. The length of the shadow of tower standing on level is found to be 2x meter longer when sun's altitude is 30 degrees. Children, sun's altitude is 30 degrees. It is 2x meter longer than when it is at 45 degrees. Then it is at 45 degrees. When it is at 45 degrees. Imagine at 45 degrees, it is y, children. Imagine at 45 degrees, it is y. Then at 30 meters, children, it is 2x meters more, means y plus 2x. Try to understand, children. At 45 degrees, its shadow is y. Imagine. At 45 degrees, its shadow is y. At 30 degrees, its shadow is 2x. 2x longer than when it is at 45. 2x meters longer means y plus 2x. If you draw everything in single figure, children, actually, in exam you should draw single figure, but just to avoid confusion and draw, children, this is 45, this is 30, no, children. This is y, this is 2x. If you take tan 30 without 45, it is y plus 2x only, no, children. Okay. So you have to find out. Question is, prove that the height of the tower is x into root 3 plus 1 meters. This is required. Yes, children. So we have to do this. Yeah. Saiti, keep saying the sum. Tell.
Tan 30 is equal to h by y plus 2x.
Okay.
1 is equal to h by y. 1
Okay.
by root
Okay. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by y
y
plus.
plus
Okay.
y is equal to h.
Very good.
Y plus 2x is equal to h into root 3.
Here you put h.
H plus 2x is equal to root 3h.
Okay.
2x is equal to root 3h minus h.
Yeah, okay.
2x is equal to
H is equal to
Root
h.
h into root 3 minus 1.
2x is equal to h into
h
root.
into root 3 minus 1.
H is equal to
2x by
no. X is equal to
h.
h of root 3 minus 1 by 2.
No, we have to find out what h. No, I'm sorry, children. We have to find out h. I'm sorry, Amma. Moving yeah.
H is
2x
equal
by
to root 3 minus 1
Rationalization into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1.
anyone of you say.
H is
Wait,
equals
Samika started, no? Next time you tell them, please.
2x into root 3 plus 1 by 2. Root 3 whole square minus 1 square. H is equal to 2x into root 3 plus 1 by 2. Root 2 cancel. H is equal to x into root 3 plus 1.
Hence proof. Okay, children. Yeah, children. Next 36. Now you say. A tree breaks due to storm and reaches the ground at an angle of 30. The distance from the top is it and find the height of the tree. One of them say this. A tree is there. It breaks due to storm and falls at an angle of 30 degrees. The distance from the foot of the tower where the tree touches is 10 meters. Find the height of the tree. One of them.
Yes, sir.
How do you find out height, Nana? X plus y. Now, how do you find out x using?
Tan theta.
Tan 30. Very good. Tell tan 30 is equal
Tan
to?
30 is equals to x by 10.
How do you find out y, Nana?
Cos theta.
Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Adjacent by hypotenuse. Yeah, tell.
1 by root 3 is equal to x by 10.
Okay.
Root 3 by 2 is equals to 10 by y.
Okay.
X is equals to 10 by root 3.
Okay.
Y is equals to 20 by root 3.
Total height of the tree is x plus y.
Y. 10 by root 3 plus 20 by root 3.
Okay.
30 by root 3. Rationalization. Root 3 by root 3. 30 root 3 by 3. Which is equals to 10 root 3.
Okay.
10 into 1.732.
Okay.
17.32 meters.
Fantastic, Papa. Very good. So 17.32 meters is the height of the tree. 17.32 meters is the height of this tree. Okay, children, I hope. Children, because your performance was not good, children, that's why I'm saying so many sums, children. Because if you don't do properly now, children, later you'll find a lot of difficulty. And many people, what I see in my experience, they will say, applications trigonometry, I don't know, I will leave it. What is this leaving? I still don't understand. That I don't know, I will leave this. This I don't know, I will leave that. That I don't know, I will leave this. What is this leaving? Nothing is not known, children, and nothing is tough. Only you have to practice, that's all. Because anyway, you are coming to me, that is my duty to make you practice as much as possible. Okay, so children, 37. Yeah, children, so 37. So a balloon is there, children. Balloon is connected. Yeah, mute your audio, Nana, mute your audio. The balloon is connected to ground of length to 15 meters. The balloon is connected. Length of 215 meters at 60 meters. 215 meters at 60 meters. Question is, determine the height of the balloon. That's all. Simple stuff. Determine the height of the balloon.
So can I say?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we have to take cos 60.
No sign you have to take, no sign because.
Oh, sorry, sine.
Opposite
By hypotenuse.
Sine 60.
H by 215.
H by 250.
root 3 by 2 is equal to h by 215. 215 root sir 2h by 2. Okay.
Okay, this went there. That's all. Okay, so h is equal to 215 by 2 is keep saying 107.5 into
1.732.
Can anyone help me calculator? 1.7.5 to 1.732, how much? Anyone? Dash meters is height of balloon. Mute your audio, none, mute your audio. Okay, children, this you multiply and you put the answer. Someone of you
186.19.
and someone of you always keep calculator ready, children, please. 38 some children. Okay, 38 some. Two men on either side of the cliff, 80-meter height. Children, there is 80-meter height. Cliff is there. Cliff means children is a type of big rock or big mountain. Two men. Here one man is there. Here one man is there. Children on either side of the cliff. Two men on either side of the cliff. Children. Okay. Right, so the angles of elevation are 30 and 60. Find the distance between the two. One is seeing at 30. One fellow is seeing at 60. Children. This is x. This is y. He's asking find the distance between two men. Distance between two men can be found out using x plus y. Vishwa, tell me Vishwa, tan 30, tan 60. Vishwa, tan 30, tan 60. 80 by x. Tan 60? I don't understand why you people won't respond and your parents will be asking me. I don't understand. 80 by y.
80 by y.
So 1 by root 3 is equal to 80 by
80
x.
by x.
Root 3 is equal
Is
to
equal to
80 by
80 by y.
x is equal to 80 root 3 and y is equal to 80 by root
3.
Distance between two balloons is x plus y and 80
Sir,
root,
rationalize.
yeah, I will rationalize. No, I will rationalize. So now children, like take root 3 LCM children. Root 3 to root 3, 3 x are 240. 240 plus 80 children. So 320 by root 3 children. Now rationalize root 3. So it is coming children 320 root 3 by 3 children. So 160, how much children? 160. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 166.67 into root 3 is 1.73. Can anyone help me?
1.73.
Can anyone help me? 166.67 to 1.63 to how much is dash meter is distance between two men?
288.67.
28.67 meters is the distance between two men. This distance I found out, this distance I added, that you will get distance between two men, children. Okay, children, next one. 39%. 40 will do and stop. Okay, so find the angles of elevation of sun's altitude when the length of the shadow of vertical pole is equal to height. Children, height and shadow are equal. Height and shadow are equal. What is this angle is asking? Tan theta is equal to h by b.
H by B.
This one because he's
H
saying
by
this
h.
both are. So tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to tan 45. Theta is equal to 45. At 45 degrees angle, height of the person and shadow of the person will be equal. At 45 degrees angle, when sun's elevation angle is 45. The person's height and its shadow will be equal. Exactly 45. Okay, so last sum for the Who will tell this sum?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Yeah. Tanush, who is that boy? Who is the boy who asked?
Sir, I said sir.
Tell Rakesh, tell. 40th some children, 40th some. An aeroplane is flying at a height of none here. Lot of disturbance, Rakesh. 210 meters is there.
Oh,
An aeroplane is flying at a height of 210 meters. Please mute your audio, Nana. Mute your audio.
yes, sir.
Flying at a height of the angles of depressions of 2 points and line opposite directions on both the banks of the river is 40. Find the width of the river. Children say. This is airplane is flying here. Here there is one bank. Here there is one bank, and this is river. Children. Okay. And the angles of depressions of the both sides are given as Angles of depression on both sides are given as 45 and 60. This is 45, this is 60. So this is also 45, this is 60, this is 60. He's asking x and y. Find the width of the river. Width of the river means what we should do, children?
X plus y.
X plus y.
Yes, children. And tan 45, children.
What? 210 by x.
Tan 60 is?
210 by y.
210 by y.
1 is equal to 210 by x.
210 plus x.
Root 3 is equal to 210 by y.
Okay.
X is equal to 210.
Y is equal
to 210 by root 3. 210 plus 210.
root rationalization.
Okay, so here what will do, children? Here 210
10
root
by
3
by
3.
3.
So 70.
70 root 3.
So this is 210. This is 70 root
70 root 3.
Don't add directly, children. 280 root 3. Don't write, children, because those who are mathematics teachers, they will get heart attack, children. We should not do that. Okay. Now only I'm telling children. So take 70 common. 3 plus root 10. 70 if you take common, 73 is at root 10. So 70 into 3 plus 1.732. 70 into
4.732.
Okay, children, that is how much, children? 7 to the 14.
33.124.
33.124 meters is the height of the is the width of the
331, sir.
331.24.
okay, 331.24 meters is width of the river. How did I find out, children? I found out x, I found out y, I added both, that will get width. I found out x, I found out y, that we both added, I got the width of the river. Okay, children. Thank you so much, children. So remaining 41 to 50, I will send the picture, children. Please draw the figures and keep ready. Tomorrow we'll discuss 41 to 50.